Hi, I'm George, and I'm in charge of the animal collection here at the Virginia Living Museum. Do you want to be an animal keeper? A healthy animal must be well fed. I'm about to show you what our animals eat and how we give them a balanced diet. Of the 650 pounds of food our animals eat every week, each mouthful falls into one of three categories: dry food or chow, fresh fruits and vegetables, and meats. Let's meet Chris, who's feeding the aquarium animals right now.
Thanks, George. Welcome to the kitchen. Because we have such a large variety of animals here, we have over 1,000 in the aquatic collection from over 120 species, we have to give them a variety of foods. So what we've got here, we got shrimp, got soft shell crabs. This is actually a mahi, which some people call dolphin. We've got squid. We've got fish gel, which is a prepared diet. But sometimes some of the fish, like the trout, are raised in a hatchery and they've been accustomed to prepared foods. This is actually fish chow, just like dog or cat chow. This comes in a big bag and we feed that to our trout every day at 11 o'clock. And to make sure we have enough nutrition for each one of these guys, some of these animals, like the sea turtle, for example, gets a daily vitamin. They also get a calcium tablet. So when we cut it to the size of the animals, either very small or a larger piece, which we'll use with the squid and feed it to the sea turtle on tongs. We're going to thaw out right now. It's called mysis shrimp. The mysis shrimp are actually very small shrimp that we feed to not only the seahorses but a lot of our juvenile fish. It comes like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to thaw this out, rinse it out a little bit. So what I've got here now is the thawed shrimp. So these are kind of hard to see. Each one of those little black dots are actually their eyes. And that sounds kind of gross, but just like any other animal, the smaller animals need small things to eat. And every day we tong feed these animals, so we're able to control how much they get. For example, we'll take a fish fillet here, we'll feed it to the shark, we'll mark down what we gave them so we can keep track of how much they eat and make sure they get all the proper nutrition every day.
Here we are in a reptile and amphibian support area. Let's see what the lizards, snakes, and turtles eat. Here's Travis. He's in charge of our cold-blooded creatures.
This is a colony of fruit flies. These are small insects that feed our small amphibians and reptiles. We make an insect jello that becomes their food and their home. Night crawlers, crickets, and mealworms, where you would never think of eating them. They are all very tasty to our animals. Our turtles enjoy a plate of chopped greens, carrots, squash, and strawberries, topped with vitamin powder and a night crawler.
Now we're back in the animal room where Carrie's checking out the diet board that keeps track of what we feed our birds and mammals. Hey, Carrie.
Hi. Yes, it's quite a full menu. Our mammals and birds of prey like meat. You like beef, chicken, and fish, don't you? Can you guess what other meats our birds and animals eat? If you guess mice, you are right. We buy them by the box full, they arrive frozen, and we keep them here in this large freezer along with other chicken, meats, and fish. We do a lot of chopping and measuring, always guaranteeing that our animals eat the healthiest fruits and vegetables. One of Woodchuck's favorites are carrots.
And this is how an animal keeper prepares our diets here at the Virginia Living Museum. And a well-balanced diet helps keep our animals wild and well.